4 ways to clean tile joints 100% effectively tested. Today we bring you some useful cleaning tips for the home. Well, there are actually 4 ways to clean joints of the floor tiles. But first, we would like to explain to you why the joints of the tiles are stained. Why and what are the joints of the tiles tainted? The joints of the tiles are filled with a paste, usually glue for gluing together. This, being a kind of mortar, has pores, and over time and with the wear of the floor and walls is increasingly having more pores. When the joints go black, great fungus has bacteria and fungi that grow in these pores, plus the obvious wear and tear of the passage of time, wear and tear, when we do them up, etc. Dust and other substances which cause the joints to become soiled. But for the most part, all the dirt we see are fungi and bacteria that grow in the pores. 1. Clean the joints of the tiles with strong water and a toothbrush. We wet well with all water all the tiles. Then we put etching on the boards and see how it makes a kind of foam. That's because it is acting. Let the etching work for 5 minutes and then with a toothbrush rub vigorously together. Once all clean, it is necessary to rinse with abundant water several times to eliminate the etching completely. To clean the joints of the tiles, it is necessary to protect them with gloves, mask and eyeglasses, because the most recommended etching is sulfumen and it is a very strong acid that can cause us damages if we do not protect ourselves well. Clean the joints of the tiles with a sponge and baking soda. Wet surface to be cleaned with plenty of water. In a bowl with hot water we add baking soda and with a flower-shaped sponge we clean the joints of the tiles. Immediately we will see how they are going white. If there is any area that does not stay white enough, we can use a toothbrush and vinegar and rub it vigorously. Once clean, all the joints clear with plenty of water and ready, and we will have the joints of tiles or tiles completely clean and white. There is also the possibility of cleaning them with a specific product for it. The previous tips were based on using homemade products. Clean grout joints with grout. This option is undoubtedly the most recommended and the most effective, but also the most drastic. It is about giving them a layer of mortar, but once they are clean, they will be perfectly white.
I ask you 3 favors. 1. Share with your friends and family. 2. Subscribe. 3. Give it a like.